Welcome. In front of me is a Honor 90 Lite, and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So, to get started, you will want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open and visible on my display. Just make sure that the content that you will be capturing is visible on your screen right now. From there, you can either hold your power button and volume down at the same time, or do a 3-finger swipe down. And when you're doing this, it will ask us if we want to enable it, so we can go to the settings, and we have, for instance, global favorites or screenshots. I'm gonna select screenshots, and now you can see it takes a screenshot. So that's one way, and the second one was the 2 buttons. So come on, get rid, come on, disappear. There we go. And as you can see, same thing. Now it gives us a couple options, so we can swipe up to share or swipe down to capture a scrollable screenshot. Now the scrollable screenshot will be only accessible in places where you can scroll down, like here. Once you capture your screenshots, you can find them in your Photos application. So I'm gonna try to locate it. There we go. No, I don't want to update it. And here we'll navigate to Library, Screenshots, and here you have the 2 screenshots that I have captured. Now it will also store screen recordings in here as well, but there we go, there are the 2 screenshots. Anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.